So now you've got a general understanding of the keywords that you're interested in using, as well as the ways that people are going to discover your videos. So you know whether you're going for a more interesting title that's going to really grab attention, or if you're targeting it more towards an SEO play so people can search you. Let's say that you're trying to split the difference. You want to get some SEO juice, but you'd also like to make it an interesting title. How can we go about doing that? Well, one of the ways is to see what already works. So we've settled now on how to gain confidence. And let's say we want to just start with how to gain confidence, and we'll do a long tail. We want to do how to gain confidence in yourself. Now, one option, of course, is just to have this be the title. It's not a bad title, how to gain confidence in yourself. If I want to see what other people are doing and what they're ranking for, I can look at the titles that are already doing well. So we've got how to build self-confidence, how to build confidence in yourself, accepting build mindset Monday. This is an interesting thing. 5 easy steps to build. Now, this might hurt the SEO aspect a little bit because 5 easy steps comes early on in the title, but I find that people tend to click things more that have, 5 steps too, or the 5 things. Any sort of number, whether you're talking YouTube or the web in general, tends to get people interested. So we've got 3 ways, 5, a user's guide, how to be confident, 10 tips for improving self-esteem. So what I'm seeing here is that a really common one is they talk about confidence, self-esteem, and a number. So what I might do is, if I'm interested in the title, I might do how to gain confidence, 5 easy tips, or how to gain confidence, 5 ways you didn't think of. Now, I'm in the didn't notice because that was the most recent title that I just created. That's where my mind is. But you can do 5 easy steps, 5 ways you might not have heard, whatever you want. And that's how you might combine an SEO targeted title, which is the how to gain confidence part, with something that's more engaging to click, which would be that 5 steps. Now, typically speaking, if the earlier in your phrase that you have the keyword, the more you're targeting SEO. But there's going to be times where, for the sake of making an engaging title, what you want to do is add that number first, right? So there's not a science to this. It's more of an art. So you got to kind of figure out, okay, do I definitely want to have how to gain confidence because I really want to rank for that? Or am I trying to get more people to click on it when they see it, so I'm going to have a title that is more grabby? That is going to be more of an art, like I said, and you can play with it back and forth. Recently, I've seen that I focused way too much on the SEO aspect of my previous ones. And if I go to my channel right here, I just show you, I go to my most popular. These are going to be most viewed. So this one is a nice little break, is a split. How to be more confident, Conor McGregor. How to make eye contact, how to flirt. All of mine have how. But the most recent ones that I've created that are already like 9 and 10, right? So this one I created just a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks. It's already pushing with some of the videos that have been out for years at this point. And so this one, for instance, has been out since 2014. So I'm finding recently that more attention-grabbing titles are performing better. So I'm going to experiment with that. This one, How to Smile Perfectly, 3 Keys to an Irresistible Smile. You see that there's kind of a play both on the SEO and as well on the search aspect, on the click attractiveness. Now, you can also go to your analytics to figure out which way these tend to be breaking. If you go to your analytics and say that I just wanted to know, okay, so I know that my Conor McGregor video is very popular, but is it because of search or is it because of something else? Well, I can look that up. So I'm going to say, so we got traffic sources, go up here, and I just want to see that Conor McGregor. This is my most popular video, and I'm curious, how do people get there? And interestingly, it's not search heavy. Sure, is it getting some views from How to Be Confident? Yes. But a total of, what is that, 70, 80% is coming straight from, that's 50 plus 32. that's 80% is coming straight from the YouTube homepage or suggested videos, versus the, Conor McGregor confidence. All of these combined are driving 8%. So what I'm seeing in my channel is I want to go more for those click ones. You're going to have to do the analysis on your channel to see, but this is just to give you an idea of the direction that you can go. So you can split the difference, go keyword heavy for SEO, and put that back thing, 3 tips too. That's the way that I like to do it, and that's worked for me so far. Experiment with your own channel, see what works for you, and then analyze it and use what sticks.